How to claim Kamino Airdrop. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Let's see how we can do it. For this, you will have to open up Kamino Finance application or the direct link for it. I will be providing the link in the description in case if you want to open it up directly. And after that, you just have to select this option of KMNO, but make sure that you connect your Phantom wallet or any Solana wallet for that matter. And after that, select the option of KMNO over here. Then select the option of KMNO Genesis allocation. This is for the season 1, and here you get the option to claim your allocation. Simply click on claim and wait for it to do its work. After that, you would be able to see this particular pop-up in order to get the transaction signed by you, and here you can click on this option of confirm and wait for a while. It will take just few seconds before you can claim it up. And this is how you will be able to claim your KMNO token, and after that you can utilize this KMNO to stake, or you can also go with the liquidity rewards, but we will check it out in our other video. So for now, I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.